Hi Dick. I want to show you a pretty easy thing to do that will make it easier for you to email your students and for them to find stuff. I'm going to show you this in one of my demo classes. So when you go in, Blackboard has all the usual things over here, and you can see mine are different. The home screen that it's set to is not very useful for a class like yours. It's really cluttered, and it's a better place, I think, for you to do an announcements as your landing place. So this is my current class. It's my real class. And here you can see I've given them some instructions, and all of the emails that I send them are here together so they can see everything they need to quickly and easily at one time. So let me just show you how to change it so that that's the landing place for your course. So what you do is you go down here to the bottom where it says Course Management and click on Customization. Then you want to click on Teaching Style. And what you can do, oops, excuse me, I take it back. We got to cancel that. We got to go up here first. Up here next to this X, see this tiny little plus? If you click that, hold your mouse over it, and choose Course Link, Tool Link, you can select Announcements and then type Announcements. You have to do that, which is ridiculous, and click Available to Users and click Submit. And then you'll see it pops up down here at the bottom. When you hold your mouse over it, grab it, pull it up. You got to hold it and pull it, and then you can move it up to the very top. That's easier for your students to access it. I'm going to delete that because I've already got announcements in mine, but obviously you don't do that. So once you've got announcements created and it's the top place here, go down to Customization, Teaching Style, and then here where it says Select Course Entry Point, choose Announcements. And then once you've selected that, scroll down to click Submit. My screencast window is cut off, but it's down here. Now, once you've done that, every time you come back into the course, you're going to land on that announcements page. So again, what you do is you hold your cursor over here to this little plus, go to Tool Link, enter Announcements, type Announcements, click Available to Users, and Submit. Go to Teaching Style, Entry Point, Announcements, and Submit. Now, when you get ready to email them, that's going to make your life easier too, because when you come in here to email, you can click, when you come to send them some information, you can click Create Announcement, and you can say, hey, here's the important word, and whatever the important word is, whatever you need them to know for that day, you put that there. Go down here where it says Email Announcement and click Send a copy of this announcement immediately. Then when you click Submit, that announcement is going to go here on the announcements page. It'll be the most recent one, so each one you add will be at the top, and you'll also still be able to go down and see the older ones. So this is really easy for your students. So again, you just go to Announcements. When you land on this page, hit Create Announcement, type whatever you want to tell them, type whatever you want to tell them. You can also paste text in there. I will tell you, it's super messy when you paste text. And then click Send a copy of announcement immediately. Okay, let's try that and see if you get that set up okay, and then we'll look at the next part.